Hey guys, sorry for the lack of videos lately. I'm pretty busy with work as usual. This video is going to be a little quick video basically on a realistic Pro-50. Done a little swap last night with my buddy Thomas. I had a couple other scanners here that done earband, and he didn't have an earband radio at the time, so that he can listen. So I traded him those couple of scanners for a couple of handhelds. One of them being a realistic Pro-50 20-channel direct entry scanner. And I've done a couple little modifications with this scanner. One, I put the bulb that was in this one, you basically hit the light here, and it's supposed to light up the display. The bulb was burned out, and it's tiny little grain of wheat bulbs. I must have thrown them out, little tiny things. Anyway, I had a little small blue color LED, and I soldered the LED to where the bulb was. So now when I hit the light button, the display lights up blue. Not a very, not like very bright, not massively bright or nothing, but it lights up the display. The second thing I done with this, I put a discriminator tap. Again, jack here. And this is how the discriminator tap is done on this here particular scanner. So you tap off on the TP5, test pin 5. You get a resistor. This marked brown, black, orange. You solder that to TP5, and at the end of the resistor, you put a ceramic capacitor marked 222 between the resistor and ground. You can use the transformer that's there for ground. That's what I used on this one. I got a little pointer here, so that's the ground there. Got a little shielded cable that goes over to the jack. I had to take this little diode here and just move them this way just a tiny bit. Drill a hole in the side of the cabinet, and there's a discriminator tap. Pretty easy. With discriminator tap, you're able to decode NXDN transmissions. You can decode DMR transmissions, including DMR trunked. You can decode P25 as long as it's not encrypted. There's a bunch of digital modes that you can decode. So basically, you're turning your old analog scanner into a digital scanner with the help of a computer. So basically, all it is, the audio, the data from the chip, which is IC2, you get the raw data, discriminated data, comes from the chip on TP5 and goes to the audio in on your computer, and you run a little piece of software and you can decode digital. So yeah, so basically you're taking your old analog scanner and turn it into a digital scanner with the help of a computer. So all these old scanners that a lot of people think that they're no good, useless, and whatever, well, you can take that old scanner and you can, give it some new life as a different type of monitoring setup. But I think it's pretty cool. And I had the display board out, whatever. Obviously, changed the LED, and I had a little look on the board for possible modifications for bands, because there's a version of this one that does 66 to 88 megahertz, and then another one 30 to 52 megahertz. This one here is 30 to 52 megahertz, and there is a resistor there missing. I believe it's R205, 204, and 205. One of those resistors are missing. They're not populated on the board. So I'm thinking you take resistor 5 and move it over to pad for resistor 4, and you can change the radio back to 66 to 88 megahertz instead of 30 to 52 megahertz or 54 megahertz. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, just a quick little video. Of course, I got the cabinet and everything for it. Just haven't got it put together because I wanted to show you this part. But yeah, that's the Pro-50 realistic scanner. I'll upload another video now shortly showing the scanner decoding some DMR transmissions, just to prove that this works. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and look for part 2 shortly on the realistic Pro-50 20 channel scanner. All the best, boys. 7-3.